This is a procedure on how to replace the ToxiPro battery. It uses a CR2 battery. Unlocking the belt clip, unscrewing screw on the back. There are two screws, one at the bottom and one on top. Opening the unit to expose the battery, the sensor, the audible alarm, and the visible alarm. You can check for any corrosion or any other damage to the unit. Here is the vibrating alarm. To replace the battery, you just pop it out of its battery holder. Inside the compartment, it does indicate whether it's positive side or negative side of the battery, which is important. Installing the new battery and putting it in. It will reset. You can do a clock adjustment, time, minutes, months, day, and year. Installing the screws back in. And this is how to replace the battery on the ToxiPro.